Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to easily open your Audi A6 key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key. Press it firmly to release the emergency key blade. Once released, gently pull the metal key blade completely out. This reveals a small slot, which is your next step to accessing the battery compartment. It's a simple process once you know where to look, making battery changes quick and hassle-free. Now that you have the emergency key blade out, insert its tip into the narrow slot you just revealed. This slot is usually located near where the key blade was housed. With a gentle but firm twist of the key blade, you'll feel the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Be careful not to use excessive force. The casing should pop open with minimal effort, giving you access to the internal components. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, just like keeping your key fob components secure, keeping your meals fresh is important. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food organized and fresh, whether you're on the go or at home. Check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Before removing the old battery, take a quick mental note of its type and how it's oriented. Most Audi A6 key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side faces up, just as the old one was. Once the new battery is in place, simply snap the two halves of the key fob back together until they click securely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.